Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete songs from your Spotify playlist. So first of all, just go ahead to your Spotify right here. And as you can see, this is my Spotify and everything. Go ahead and click on your library right here. And basically go ahead to your liked songs, or if you have any other playlist, just go ahead to that playlist, right? And if I wanted to remove that song or delete that song from my playlist, I'm going to just click the three dots next to it. And I'm going to just remove this from my playlist. And as you can see, the song is removed from that playlist. And the same goes if you go back in, let's say I'm gonna go ahead to any other playlist. Let's say for example this is like a sample, and I'm gonna just go ahead and select the song, and then basically delete it from your playlist, and you're gonna be able to see it right here, right? And basically that's it, right? Go ahead to the playlist and then click the three dots next to the song, and then click remove from the playlist, and the same goes. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.